Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the Gmail account by phone number. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to go to the browser, and here we need to search for the Gmail. Just simply type in Gmail in the search bar and you will get it. The first website is what we need, Google Gmail. So click on it. And now we'll need to simply click on sign in button in the top right corner to sign into our account and find it using our phone. So here, if we don't remember email or phone, we need to click on forgot email button just below the field where we need to enter our email. So click on it, and here I'll just change the language because this is not what we need. So, and here basically we can find our email, our Gmail, entering our phone number. As you can see, enter your phone number or recover email. So here you need to simply type the phone number that you have, and if it is linked to your Gmail, it will automatically find this email and you will be able to recover this email using your phone number. And basically that is it. That is how we can find our Gmail using our phone number. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.